So we have successfully repaired this one, which I didn't break, which the twins didn't break, but the Barbie doll broke. Am I right with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Now this one is the kettle. What is this kettle?
Yeah, it's a teapot.
Teapot, right? Now the teapot, it has a very interesting story. I didn't know that one of these girls had it kept on the edge of the table. So technically it wasn't my fault.
It was your fault.
How?
Yeah, it was your fault.
But I didn't. It was kept. That said, I'm here.
And then you made about enough, and then I had to put this up.
Okay, so I will take a small blame for it, right? But then we're here to
No,
repair
big
this.
blame.
No, that's unfair. That
Yeah,
a
that's
small blame, right? But now this now is broken into, like, zoom into here. Let's show the camera. It's broken into like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. This was only one piece. So now we're gonna basically take this contact cement and we're gonna stick this whole thing up, and we
I
must.
think it's in the mix up. I think this.
You got no faith in me now. You got faith in me.
Daddy?
Do you have faith in me that I'll get this right?
Yeah.
Right. You got no faith. You got faith, right?
I
Okay.
Is it
Let's.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I think this piece goes like over here.
Yeah. Yes, it does. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is, we keep very carefully. We take this contact glue, and we. put-
Wait, there's
Whoa.
a problem.
What?
There's a hole, and if I put it there, it's gonna drop it.
Technically.
Maybe just put glue on here and then stick it.
Okay. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Avadia has got a point there. Let's just put the glue on this.
It's like a. Lucky no glue's gonna fall.
And then on this side.
On both sides. No.
So
you
kids-
You already put glue there.
It's fine. Let's let it dry. So kids, if you're watching this, right, please make sure you have adult, super,
And sticky glue.
adult, super,
Supervision.
good girl. Let's say it loud. What we're gonna have? Adult,
Supervision.
supervision, because glue can be a bit dangerous for your skin. So adult has
Feel
to,
your skin.
yeah. But you can have 2 experts like you guys telling the adult what to do. Oh, right.
Like it's saying,
All right. Let's go
Again, it's a.
again. Hey.
It's like hair. It's like hair.
Yeah.
Give it the
Oh.
teapot.
Right, we take this here, we're gonna place it here.
You just need to put it in the sun, and then it'll dry.
Yeah,
Correct.
I think this makes a perfect fit. This,
Yeah.
this guys, look at it. There's no, you can't see the crack, right?
Bless
you.
you.
Right, we got this sorted. Now,
Just make these small little pieces.
yeah, but we can't do that until this
It's
dries.
dry.
So let's pause for now.
Yeah.
We let this dry. Right, we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. So we have now successfully added the teapot handle on, which is drying nicely. What you guys think?
I think it looks good. On the top is missing.
Yeah, no, once it dries, you
Hey,
can peel
hey.
it out. Okay, yeah, okay, right. So we're happy with this. Can we go to the next one?
Yeah.
So now what we're gonna do is,
Stick this
this is a bit of a scary part. I'll tell you why. Because when Neha and Avadia broke this, they broke it into a lot of pieces. Am I right? No, I'm joking. So this is one piece. Then zoom in here, Big Mommy, zoom in here. You'll see there's a lot of tiny pieces that we're gonna
What
fill in
about that
this.
piece?
Yeah, what piece? This piece. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is now,
The piece goes.
just like before, we're gonna take Neha's advice and put it on this.
It's mine.
Oh, sorry, Avaria's advice, and just drop a little bit of
A
glue,
little bit
touch of glue there, and on the top here.
And on the other side, on the top.
Yeah, there. Thank you, Neha, for that. Almost missed that. How's that? So guys, why aren't you all handling this?
Because it's dangerous. Yeah, and when you peel it out, it's. Yeah, and you peel your skin out. The two lines. 2 lines.
Okay, let's just wipe that line.
That's
So,
it.
so kids at home, can you hear what Avaria and Neha said? It's dangerous. This can go onto your skin
And pull it out.
and pull your skin out. That is why you need.
It out.
And girls,
and
how
then-
old are y'all?
5.
Show me with your fingers.
Yeah.
Wow.
By the way, they just celebrated their 5th birthday like 3 days ago.
No.
2 days ago.
2 days.
2 days.
Oh, time is going 2 days, so they just
And
turned
now
5.
there's 3.
Yeah. Okay. Now, very delicately, we gotta take this and we gotta position it in place here. Okay, guys. So we're gonna just go down here,
Just stick it.
place it in there.
It looks perfect. It's
What,
perfect.
you
But
think
we
so?
just need the small pieces. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
on the small. I think this piece goes.
Yeah. So what I think we should do is let this piece settle in first.
And they're dry.
Dry, and then once this is solid, then we can add those other pieces in. Okay, so guys, come back again, go and have something to eat, have a cup of coffee, let this dry, and we come back to you. Right, guys, just say the bye, say bye to the viewers. Right, we'll see you all just now. Cool. We ready to go?
Yeah.
So guys, welcome back to A and N Ceramic Challenge. A for Avaria, N for Nihara, and ceramic because this is ceramic, and it's a challenge because we're putting it together. Now, what we've done is we managed to get that part included in our before you guys went to a break. Now the challenge is we got to fit this like a jigsaw puzzle to put this in here. So let's go. Take this here and let's place it in here. We need to get this right. This is very, very tricky, guys. For those of viewers at home who's watching this, it's very tricky to get this right. Okay, we successfully, no, we did. Let's just check this out. It's a rounded.
Is there? Huh? I finished.
I'll give you more.
Right, guys, so here we lost most of the parts for this, right? So earlier on, Neha and I were chatting and she came up with a brilliant idea. Share the brilliant idea with the guys there.
Slime it.
Tell me what you do. What's the plan? Look there, just show them and tell me. Okay?
We're gonna drop it inside of Play-Doh.
Yeah. So how will you
Paint
repair
it
this?
yellow, then stick it. Play-Doh, let it get hard, and then if we need more, if the Play-Doh is not the right color, just pick it up. What same color as the color.
So you say
The
put the
yellow
Play-Doh, shape the Play-Doh. If the Play-Doh is not the right color, we just color it to give the shape of the cup. Paint it. Okay, cool. So that's how we're going to repair that. Okay. So let me close this up because we don't need this anymore. Right. So guys,
Yeah.
if you look at this here, there's a whole lot of colors that we've got. But we've chosen, which numbers have we chosen? Tell the guys. What numbers are these?
No, only one. It's 35
Yeah.
is the right
No,
one.
so what we did was we did a color coding, color matching between 35 and 45, and we have chosen one color, which is 35. 35. So how are you going to do this? Who's going to do which part? Explain to the guys.
So I do this half and I do this half.
Okay, cool. So there you go. Do your half.
This half.
That seems to be working.
Yeah,
Color
but
looks-
it's hard to color.
No, but it's coming right.
Yeah. Just we need the Play-Doh.
Yeah, but for now, at least it looks yellow
Yeah.
and not white. There you go. Avari, your turn.
I know the both sides open on ours.
Oh.
This
okay.
as well. There's a thick end and a thin end.
Like a highlighter.
Correct.
She's looking. Well done, the girls.
Doesn't look so fun. Only when we get the Play-Doh.
Yes.
I remember a long time ago we had a yellow Play-Doh. Mommy bought Play-Doh for us.
Yeah. And now it's gone all hard.
Yeah.
Okay, but I mean, instead of it being white, it does look like 80%
I'm
there.
finishing all the white parts.
Okay.
The no white parts to make the cup look like real.
Okay.
Why put glue on this?
So there you go.
I put glue on.
Guys, we have done it. We have painted it yellow, so it doesn't look that bad. The next thing we need to do is to put the Play-Doh and
Cover it.
yeah, and mold it according to the glass. Good. Bye. We'll show you the finished product.
Girls, say bye.
Say bye. Toodles. Toodles. Bye from the twins.